Breakfast mistakes that block weight loss. Breakfast sets the tone for the entire day. Yet, many people unknowingly make choices that slow metabolism and block fat burning. The right morning meal can enhance energy, balance hormones, and accelerate results, but the wrong one can sabotage your weight loss diet before noon. Here are the most common breakfast mistakes that block weight loss, and how to fix them. 1. Skipping breakfast. Many skip breakfast to save calories, but this can backfire. Skipping breakfast lowers metabolism and increases hunger later in the day, often leading to overeating. Eating a balanced breakfast helps control appetite and supports steady energy levels. 2. Choosing sugary foods, cereals, pastries, and white bread cause quick spikes and crashes in blood sugar. This roller coaster effect promotes cravings and fat storage. Instead, choose whole grains, oats, or high-fiber options to maintain stable glucose levels and keep hunger under control. 3. Lack of protein. Protein keeps you full longer and boosts metabolism. A low-protein breakfast, like toast or fruit alone, leaves you hungry within hours. Include eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake to increase satiety and preserve lean muscle. 4. Overdoing smoothies. Smoothies often seem healthy but can contain excessive sugar and calories from fruits, juice, and flavored yogurt. Keep them simple. Use unsweetened milk, a handful of fruit, greens, and a protein source to balance nutrients. 5. Ignoring portion sizes. Healthy foods can still add up. Nut butter, granola, and avocado are calorie-dense. Using measuring spoons and eating mindfully prevents unintentional overeating and keeps your calorie intake in check. 6. Drinking calories. Morning beverages like fancy lattes and fruit juices may add hundreds of calories without filling you up. Opt for black coffee, green tea, or water with lemon to hydrate and energize your body without breaking your calorie limit. 7. Eating too late. Delaying breakfast for too long may raise hunger hormones and cause overeating later. Eating within 1 to 2 hours of waking helps regulate metabolism and energy for the rest of the day. Avoiding these common breakfast mistakes can transform your weight loss journey. A smart morning routine, rich in protein, fiber, and balance, fuels fat burning and maintains steady energy all day long. Remember, in any weight loss diet, success begins with mindful choices at breakfast. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.